Taguig-Pateros Representative Peter Cayetano rejected the election of Marinduque Representative Lord Alan Velasco, replacing him as House Speaker.
So let's respect naman the Constitution and have some decency in politics naman. Pagtatawanan na naman yung House na to tatanggapin ko na lang, ako na lang sisihin ng tao. Di ba? But the reality is, sobrang kalokohan ang ginawa nila.
Velasco was elected as Speaker by 186 members of the House of Representatives in a session at the Celebrity Sports Plaza in Quezon City.
Committee hearing can be held outside Congress. Yung session, unless may authority, di ba? And besides, no, we're on recess. Naka-suspend eh. Kaya nga tinawag ng Presidente yung special session.
Cayetano pointed out what they did is unconstitutional and that session outside the Batasan Pambansa complex is a fake.
Kung ang tingin ng palasyo, hindi kami naka-recess, de sana sinabing i-resume nyo na lang yung session. Kaya kami naka-special session tomorrow. So there's one purpose for today. Manggulo. Manggulo lang. Yun lang ang purpose nila.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.